Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock options analysis. So as for the technicals guys, check my morning video out that where I have already talked about the technicals on Tesla stock. So that will give you all the head start that you need going in for this video. I'll still provide a bit of background on what the technicals are looking like, but mostly we'll be focusing on the options, how the options data is looking like going into this coming week, and how all in all the premium and the price action, what are the possibilities that what type of options may make money, what type of options gonna go worthless, just my opinion I'm gonna share in this video. With that, hit the like, subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful, and also please remember, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Also check this channel out of mine where I am building a dividend investing portfolio if you want to follow along in the journey. I have taken a lot of plays already and I have been providing daily updates on those. So if you don't want to miss out, check this channel out and subscribe. Okay, so let's come back here on the Tesla here, well, the options. And so let's start off with what we are seeing right now. So the black vertical line is the last closing price. And then we have the green are the calls, the red are the puts. Now I'm seeing good calls at 185, the spike, and at $200. There is a put spike as well at 170 and 150, but they're not as high as on the call side. So the intro, and also we have in the money at 175. So there's definitely a lot more interest on the calls side, just high level going in Tesla, right? Now let's pick this one up. 185, that's where the highest spike is right now. Is that a possibility? Well, as for the really quickly high level technicals guys for this video, as I said, if you want to know more in-depth technicals, check out my other video that I did on Tesla this morning. Now, as for the technicals guys, Tesla is bullish with higher lows and higher highs, and it's above 20-50 days moving average as well. And most importantly, it has gotten out of the structural change that we needed from downtrend back to the uptrend, that is $175. So Tesla is above that as well. So yes, Tesla is bullish. So any calls that are taken, as long as they are on the upside, yeah, I mean, well, calls for sure. They are most likely going to make money. Now, until what place, right? So I talked about in my morning video, until where do I see Tesla going this week, right? And that came out to be around, in my opinion, we have a possibility of 189. So talking about the calls at 185, that is a possibility, going into this week, that most likely all those calls, yes, they are most likely going to make money, and so would be $180 call. The 190 calls and $200 calls, they are in question here because we have this channel overhead resistance, and $200 and $190, no matter where you put in the next day, it's above and out of this trend line or the overhead resistance of the channel, and this channel has come from the weekly interval, right? I mean, you can draw it off of the daily interval as well, but it's just, you can see very precisely and clearly multiple rejections at these places, and we have been falling, right? So the recent rejection was also right at that place. Now, and that's why, I would stay away just to be on the safer side from any call option that is above above 190. I would say until 185 is fine, and even for 188 you would need price to go higher than 190, I'm pretty sure. Oh, sorry, that's not 188. Oh, it's rounding. Okay, 187.5. I don't know why I did that. I just have to change formatting. But to make money on this, you need to have it at 189 at least, because you're putting a premium as well on that, right? So I would say that anything until 185 is most likely going to be the calls that gonna make money. Not saying that 200 can't happen, but it's just that are the technicals right now supporting that? They are, but these are for the next week expiration. So that's where the challenge is, that can Tesla this week go to $200? And even though it's in that direction, and I'm saying 189 is a possibility, $200 is just out of that channel. That's the reason that, just to be on the safer side, I would say unlikely for 200. But anyways, let's talk about the puts here. So I'm seeing a spike at 170 first. So let's talk about 170. So 170 puts comes right below 50 days moving average. The problem with that is that we have 20 days moving average support below, we have 50 days moving average support below, and also 175, with that is the structural change to the upside, we are above that. So 175 puts to make money is completely in the opposite direction. The only way 170 would possibly make any money if on Monday we break below and close below 175, or we stay below 180 and then Tuesday we break below 175. Then for Friday expiration 170, we might start talking about it, but right now I'm not seeing any money in that direction. Similarly, for 150 puts, I'm not sure why traders are betting any. Like, puts are right now, price action is not supporting, regardless of whichever put I pick here. Price action is just not supporting that. Unless price action supports it, which we'll see if Monday things change. But as I said, check out my morning video on the technicals that I did on test that will teach you everything that you need to know. So yeah, and even 150, forget it, guys. Wow, 100 and that's not happening. I mean, at least in my opinion, 150 is down here. I don't think that's gonna happen. That's way out of league, and I'm not sure why traders are putting so much money over there. They're gonna be cooked. I would say puts. I usually provide both sides, that guys, okay, this would make sense, if this happens. But right now, puts, I'm just not even wanting to suggest anything on the put side, because there's just so much support sitting right now under Tesla. Like, if any put situation develops, 172.50 cents might be the safer one, but right now we don't even have any direction in that regards. But if 175 breaks, 172.50 is a possibility. Otherwise, I'm more confident on the call side, because price action, at least for now, is in that everything is supporting for the price action to be on the upside on Tesla, unless and until we start to change the structure. And I'll be covering Tesla day-to-day basis, and accordingly, if things changes, we'll have to adapt for that. But so far, price action is still bullish on Tesla, in my opinion. Well, guys, that's it for this video. This was only for education purposes. Nothing is financial advice. Do your own due diligence. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes, okay? With that, guys, also, as I said, check this channel out of mine. All right, and also if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts. If you haven't seen my day trading bot yet, let me show you that on Tesla, its performance. And again, guys, there is guarantee of I take guarantee of nothing. Data speaks for itself. That's what it is. There will be red days as well. You can see we are net profitable though, and have been making some good profits. Look at it. So, but yeah, it's just saying, if you need access to these tools, links are in the description below of this video. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.